This is actually something that Samsung needs to start to work on. And in all honesty, if they want to grow back to being very successful in this industry, they need to perfect this to every limit they can. And that's going to be cameras. Fix and perfect the cameras on every Z Fold device you release, every Z Flip device you release. Be saying every tri-foldable phone you release. Work on the camera system of these foldable cell phones. That will be what sets you apart from all these other foldable phone companies. And listen, I gotta say, I mean, Samsung's in a really difficult spot. They're not in a spot where they can win. They got OnePlus, who is, again, just rebranding Oppo's phones, and the OnePlus Open 2 is going to be waterproof, IP69. Insane. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold, that's coming out with the Tensor G5 chip, which is a brand new chipset. Again, insane. And now, of course, Samsung is just trying to fight for air. Trying to fight for any ability to come back in this game. And, well, it's not working out too well for them right now. So, according to this, Android Police here, the Z Fold 7 could have an improved selfie camera if the leak is true. Which, listen, that's not much. But everything we have heard so far from the Z Fold 7 has been very, very negative. And I feel like something positive coming out. Samsung needs this. Samsung really badly needs a W. And this is kind of the W they could get, okay? It's not the W they want, but it's the W they deserve. And that is, finally, something good is going to be with the Z Fold 7. I don't think anyone's going to buy it, because if you've seen Z Fold 7 so far, man, it doesn't look good. It looks really freaking bad. Looks like a Z Fold 6S, which is just a copy and paste of the Z Fold 6. And in reality, all it is the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which, hey, it's not a bad phone, but it's not a good phone when it's a year later. You know, you release the same phone a year later, I don't think maybe we're going to be happy. Even with OnePlus Open 2, that's going to be the rebrand of the Oppo Find N5, which came out, is coming out in February. And that phone's going to be coming out in August. So, it's not a year later. It's like, what, 5-6 months later? Half a year later, I guess. But it's better than, you know, what they're doing with the Z Fold 6 Special Edition rebranded. Samsung, just work on your camera system. Because the biggest issue with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I'm sure the 10 Pro Fold is going to fix this, by the way, but the 9 Pro Fold's biggest issue was the cameras. The cameras are awful. And I love the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's my favorite phone I own. But the camera system's awful. OnePlus Open 2, it's better. It's good. But it's not perfect. Create a perfect foldable phone with the perfect camera system. That's going to be how you get a lot of people to go back to Samsung. Because, in all honesty, it sucks to have an $1,800 phone that can't take amazing pictures. And so far, no one has mastered it to a T that is perfect. Get to the perfect ability. Worry about everything else. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.